larger interests of our people.
Assembly Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira has filed defamation suits against one Mikanchiar Sangma and Balsrang Marak, seeking rupees 100 crore in damages from each of them for alleged criminal and civil defamation. Shira, accompanied by his legal counsel Sujit De, along with NPP MLAs Marthon Sangma and Rupert Momin, presented the defamation cases before the Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate in Shillong today. Speaking to the media, Shira accused the two individuals of misinterpreting a video of his statement made on the floor of the assembly. He claimed that they projected him as being against his own community and opposing the proposal to make Tura the winter capital.
They said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the House, they have made plus in the YouTube that I'm totally against my community. I'm totally against the construction, making Tura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he has. He said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community.
The Khasi student